So you're Muslim.
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Okay.
So, what do you think about the Muslim as you asked about religion?
I don't know too much on it, but I really don't know much. But do you guys, you pray to Allah? Is Allah the same as God or
Yeah,
something?
yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Call it Allah. That's all I know. I don't really know too much.
Wow, so you know most of the Muslims say Allah instead using of God. But God and Allah, the same things. The same things. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But nowadays, by the media trial, Muslim community just has been the terrorist. But that doesn't really make sense. Okay. But the real thing is our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, you never ever go to interfere into the other religion. Respect to them. Never forced to do something else. Okay, that's the way of Islam. But now some extremist people who are just saying and I'm Muslim, but they try to say, oh, the Christian, oh, that is the Hindu, oh, that is the Buddhism, but that's not really original religion. Okay.
What do you?
Yeah. Okay.
I got a little confused.
Let's talk about, as you said, you are single, all right?
Yes.
Okay, but you know what? When I saw you at first glance, I think you are under 20. What about your age? If I...
I'm 24.
You have a baby face, really. Honestly, I'm speaking true.
It's okay. Everybody tells me I have a baby face. You're not the only one. People think I'm underage, but I'm not.
But you are not. Okay, but I was really in hard determination to have really a conversation with you.
How old are you?
What do you think about my age? I want to define your guess.
20? 28? Or 30?
I think you are the astrologer. Are you astrologer?
No, I don't believe in astrology.
I will be 30 on 22 of September in this month.
Oh, you're so you're 29.
Yeah, right now I'm 29, but after 10 days I will be 30.
30.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why I'm saying that you are astrologer maybe.
Oh, I just guessed. Like, what kind of food do they have there?
Everything you would find, but particularly we people have to have like the Hilsha fish. Fish is very, very famous. The lobster and Hilsha fish and the other shrimps. We cultivate the shrimps, Hilsha fish, everything just goes to your country from us.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you speak a different language, right?
All right.
Speak your language.
What do you want to know in my language?
How are you doing?
Yes. How you doing? So, তুমি কেমন আছো? তুমি?
তুমি?
কেমন?
কেমন?
আছো?
আছো.
Yeah. You say? You repeat
Yeah.
with
তুমি? Kame?
কেমন?
Taso.
কেমন?
Kamon.
আছো? আছো.
Aso.
Yeah. All right. That's really cool.
Kamon.
তুমি কেমন আছো?
That's how are you?
Yeah, that's how we say. I love you.
Oh yeah, tell me.
So,
How do you say it?
how do I say I love you? So, আমি
আমি
তোমাকে
তোমাকে
ভালোবাসি. ভি
ভালোবাসি
ভি ভালোবাসি
বা
ভালোবাসি ইয়া আমি তোমাকে বাসি
Wait,
বাসি
say it again.
বাসি
Bashi.
ইয়া ভালোবাসি
Bashi.
ইয়া
Hal.
ইয়া ভালোবাসি দ্যাট মিনস লাভ মিনিং ভালোবাসা
Okay, this is a little hard.
yeah hope you enjoyed my language
Oh yes, I mean it's cool to learn about different cultures and different languages.
all right yeah